and the people that Dan Kelly's associating with prosecuting or gathering information about them?
Yeah, I mean, I can't say, I left the Justice Department, before January the 6th, so I can't really comment on what any component within the FBI, how they have done in gathering information, but I'm really confident that, from what I know of that part of the Bureau, that they, have done a good job, they continue to do a good job, and I'm sure the work that they're doing is helping, the prosecutors. We're in the process now of trying to put together, or have put together cases, on January 6th protesters, and are continuing, that work, and working their way up the chain.
And do you have any comment on how Dan Kelly is associating himself with these January 6th insurrectionists?
Yeah, I mean, that's something I think of great concern. From all that we understand, he worked with those people who were going to send an alternate set of electors to the Electoral College to, in essence, be a part of what the aim of the January 6th conspirators were doing, which was to try to, in essence, stop a transfer of power. That, from my perspective, in and of itself, is a disqualifier. That is not a person who I think ought to be on the Wisconsin State Supreme Court. And I think it's really interesting. I saw a survey that was done, I guess, of the Milwaukee bar. Said 80% of them said that Janet Protasevich was qualified to be a state Supreme Court justice. 65% of those same people said that Dan Kelly was unqualified to be a state Supreme Court justice. Now, if your peers, 65% of your peers, 65% of lawyers are saying you shouldn't be, or you can't be, or you're not qualified to be on the state Supreme Court, that I think is pretty telling.
Thank you.